phone that you'll buy or would have bought despite reviews. So let me not bore you guys. Instead, quickly tell you what I like and don't like about the Redmi Note 7 Pro. Before that, in the box you get the SIM eject pin, manuals, a soft TPU case, the phone, 502 amp adapter, Type-C cable, that's about it. It comes in 3 colors, blue, black and nebula red. I will also show you the official perforated cases sold separately in a bit. And here's the technical specifications. Pause to read. Alright, having used this for a while, here's what I think. Design and build, impressive gradient color, feels solid with Gorilla Glass. Display, love it. Performance, the Snapdragon 675 with 4GB RAM and MIUI 10 got me an overall smooth experience, be it gaming or everyday tasks, it was all a breeze. No heating issues. No compromise on sensors except NFC. Fingerprint and face unlock was fast. You also get Netflix HD streaming. 4000 mAh battery is stellar with close to 2 days on normal use. Audio, call reception, all was good. The 14 megapixel rear camera with Sony sensor did impress me. As a normal consumer, you get very good front and rear camera to take shots like these. Video recording is okay, but photos gets a thumbs up from me. And here are the 2 official perforated polycarbonate cases. Comes in yellow and black. Given the glass back, this case gives you the much needed grip. Now what I don't like about the Note 7 Pro, nothing major to crib given its price, except the ads, lack of EIS for 4K and the laggy camera app. Minus these, Note 7 Pro gets a thumbs up from me. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share and subscribe and I'll catch you in another exciting video. Until then.